Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a video that I've been like I don't want to do, but I'm going to do it for this young lady. The person that requested this video is exo_Abby15, and shout out to you. She's been wanting me to do this video since last year, but I've never had the time or whatever to do it, and then when I want to do it, it's like okay, so it involves a lot of gel and so I'm gonna do it, but my hair is freshly washed, and when I looked at how other people did this video, a lot of them blew out their hair, and that is another reason why I don't want to do it. But I decided to try my own way of doing things, which is not blowing out my hair. Okay, so this is the state of my hair. Yeah, so let's see if I can slick down my hair. This is going to be a challenge. So I'm going to do a middle. Should I do a middle part? Okay, let me do a middle part because I don't think you guys have seen me with a middle part. Just looking at my mirror, and I'm going to do a middle part. So now I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. So I'm going to really spray my hair with a lot of water. Okay. I'm going to get some oil. I'm also going to put on my scalp again. Now this is where I introduce the grease to you guys. So this is the grease I'm using, and I'm using this for shine. You can put a leave-in in your hair if you want, but I noticed that when I put water as my moisturizer and I take an oil, so I'm taking my oil and I'm slicking down my oil, putting my oil there, and then I grab the grease, it works fine, and my hair stays hydrated even without a leave-in. Yeah, but I wouldn't keep this style. This style, I'll keep it maybe for 4 days at most. That's just me saying. So I'm taking my grease and I'm putting it to my ends to lock in the moisture. And then I put it to the length of my hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab a gel, and the gel I will be using will be my Style Factor. This is the Edge Booster Gel, this Style Factor, and that's because that gives me a lot of hold. So this is a thick gel. It's very thick. It's like a cement. So I'm taking it, I'm putting it on my palm first. And I hope this doesn't flake on me. And I'm going to put it on my hair. And then I'm going to grab my hair tie. And my hair tie, I'm using a snappy. And I'll tell you why I'm using a snappy. I'm using a snappy so that, because as I join each hair, it's going to make it easier for me to unravel. So to do the front, I'm going to spray the water. So really spray water so that it'll be easy for me to move stuff around. I'm going to get my oil again, sealing all that moisture from the water with my oil. Okay, add that in. And now I'm trying, guys. I don't know if this will work, but let's see. I'm going to get my hair grease and I'm going to put it all over my hair, all over. And the grease kind of gives it some form of shine. And you can use oil too, but I was just playing around with grease. You guys know I've been playing around with grease all this time, and that's pretty much what I'm doing now. And then I'll take my gel and put my gel on my hair. And see, my hair is already, it's starting to curl up again. Oh, okay. See, that's the thing with natural hair. Just let the hair do what it wants to do. But you know what? I'm doing this for this young lady because she really has been asking for it. So yeah, so why not, huh? Why not? Now I'm going to get my hair brush. This is my Tangle Buster. I'm going to use that to smoothen my hair into submission. Into submission. And see. Okay. Now I'm going to use my soft brush so that the line is not so obvious. And then just take that, get another snappy, and then I'm going to just connect that on top. I'm not going to loosen the other part. So I'm just connecting that on top. See? My hair already wants to start curling up, so I'm going to brush it some more. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I'm going to take my brush and I'm brushing that real good in there. Now this one is going to be the one that you want to do the tightest. This is the slickest my hair will be. Okay, that's the slickest. I can't get any more slicker than that because my hair is naturally very, very coily. Yeah, and then I'm going to get my scarf. Okay. So just tie it down. Now for the ends, I'm just going to take the ends and I will be, and then hook it in underneath the snappy to the ends. You just want to put it so that it's somewhere away. Okay, so I'm back and my scarf was already falling off. Well, this is as laid as my hair is going to be. You can see I still have waves. My hair just naturally waves, but I am pleased with it. I'm not doing any baby hair, laying baby hair and all that stuff. No, I'm not doing it. So when I was going online to figure out how to do this ponytail thing, a lot of people wrapped like weave hair around their bun, and this is my bun once again. That's what it looks like. And a lot of people wrapped weave hair. You know when you know you're going to fail at something, just don't bother. So I just went to my video supply store and I bought this for $10.99, and it's like a pre-made ponytail thing, and the young lady over here taught me to just clip it in. So pretty much they said there's a comb stuff here, and I'm just gonna open it up and see there's a comb thing right here. Just take it and clip it right on top over there, in there, and then the rope that goes in it, I'm just pulling that rope to secure it, and then I'm just going to use that to further secure it. Oh my word, oh, I'm a genie in a bottle. So how does it look? What do you guys think? I know my hair is not straight like this, but this is what I have working for me. So I feel my hair kind of looks a bit plain, so I'm going to add in this my Swirly Curl hair clip, and I'm gonna add it. And you know, Valentine's Day, this says love and this says girl, and Valentine's Day is around the corner. Unclip it, and this is what it looks like. It's really nice, bedazzled, and I'm going to take it and I'm just gonna put it on this side of my hair just to give it a little bit of design. So cute. You can see how it looks. Okay. And I could put this one on the other side, but I think that would be overkill. My daughters be like, no, mommy, you're putting too much. So, and my earrings, I love them. They're from IOB Boutique. I love them. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and shout out to XOAbby15, and I'll see you guys in another video. If you have any requests for any hairstyles, let me know. Comment below, let me know, and let me go swing my hair. Oh yeah, I paid for it. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.